Welcome to A Day in the Life, where we dive into the different departments of our Toyota family and share what they do on an average workday. No more mystery, only open doors. You've heard us time and time again explain the importance of auto service. Every oil change, tire rotation, and alignment check keeps your vehicle healthy and working every time you turn your keys in the ignition. But it's not an easy job keeping vehicles in a working condition. At Toyota of North Charlotte, our expert auto service department works tirelessly to keep your car rolling down the road and help you feel confident that everything is working as it should. Check out what a day is like for our auto service staff.
It begins at 6 a.m. We greet our customers at the drive. We attend to their requests for service and assign technicians to their vehicles.
Our auto service department here at Toyota of North Charlotte opens its doors at 6 a.m. for those looking to get an early start to the day. When pulling up to our designated drive, you're greeted by one of our auto service consultants who take note of your service concerns and get you and your vehicle logged in to our system.
Write up the customer and make sure that the technicians get assigned to our customers, the right technician, of course. And then just follow up with the customer, let them know where their vehicle is, how much longer to come in.
After one of our auto service consultants explains key factors like completion time, what the repair or service will entail, how much it will cost, your vehicle is given to an auto service technician who begins to repair your vehicle.
We have a fast loop section in the shop that only takes care of the oil changes and tire rotation, minor services.
Now, depending on the type of auto service you're having completed today, your vehicle is designated into different loops. Loops are overseen by different auto service techs with varying certifications that make the service process smoother and more efficient.
Taking care of customer cars, oil change rotates, customer concerns, going on test drives. I also handle more important work when it comes as far as like cars coming in more than 3 times.
Depending on the extent of the service being performed and what loop they're designated, auto service technicians can work on several vehicles in a day on a variety of jobs. Now that we've opened the door to the service department, don't be shy. Stop by if your car needs to get serviced. Our expert staff at Toyota of North Charlotte is here to help you out. Visit us today at 13429 Statesville Road. Hope to see you here soon.